بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم عن عمر رضي الله عنه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال إياكم والجلوس في الصعودات وفي رواية الطرقات فإن كنتم لابد فاعلين فاعطوا الطريق حقه قيل وما حقه يا رسول الله قال غض البصر ورد السلام وإرشاد الضال أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Dear brothers and sisters, I would like to share with you a beautiful hadith, and this is regarding the Islamic etiquettes which Islam teaches to its followers. Sayyidina Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu reports that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam has said that don't sit in the places or in the streets and roads where general public using that road or streets. And Sahaba, not in this hadith, there is another hadith, another tariq of hadith, in which Sahaba has said that, O Prophet of Allah, alayhi salatu wassalam, we have that entertainment culture. We sit together somewhere, and most of the time we sit in the streets where we have some gossip and we do share our thoughts, whatever. We sit together and we enjoy those gatherings. We just get together there in streets. And this was the culture of Arab, and even you can find this culture in Indo-Pak and in Islamic countries. People do gather outside and in the streets. And here, obviously in Britain, you can see people have some kind of gatherings outside the shops. So then Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he has said that if it is important for you to sit there, so at least you pay the right of that way. And Sahaba have asked, O Prophet of Allah alayhi salatu wasalam, how we can pay what are the rights of way? So Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam said three things: Ghaddul basar, wa raddus salam, wa irshadud dal. Ghaddul basar, that you lower your gaze. Don't look at the people around, and especially the ladies who are wearing hijab or niqab, or even they're not wearing. If they are passing by, so you don't look at them. Ghaddul basar. Take care of your eyes. And then he said waraddus salam, and also one of the rights of the passage is to answer the salam, that if somebody says salam to you, you must answer him back with wa alaykum as-salam, or tahiyya better than his tahiyya. I mean the greeting better than his greeting. And then irshadud dal, if somebody is wandering and he can't find the way, just help him and guide him and help him to get to his place. So, and if somebody is struggling with something, help him. And if you find anybody is in need, just go and help him and support him. So these are the rights of the way. This hadith is basically talking about the etiquettes, Islamic etiquettes. At the same time, it is giving us the civic sense. One more thing I would like to focus on is that this commandment is being given to those Sahaba, to those companions who were very right people, who were upright people, and they were people of very good character. And they are being told to lower your gaze. But what about us people? We are obviously, our level of iman is a lot lower than the Sahaba radwanullahi ta'ala majma'in. So obviously we easily can understand then the emphasis of this commandment is more for us. So we need to be very careful when we are passing by in the way, or people are passing and we are sitting. So we need to take every care that our eyes are not looking what is not right for them, what is not halal for them. May Allah give us tawfiq. Wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.